Morning, we've woke up late as fuck again, so there. I'm leaving here tomorrow morning. I need to go outside now, speak to the guy right outside the door about getting to Koh Samui in the morning, because I just want to get over there and go to that island full of pigs. And then I can come back. But I've got to get to Koh Samui, figure out how long I've got there, and then get all the way back to Phuket, which might be a flight. So it might be a pain in the buttocks, but yeah, let's go do that. Let's see what we're doing for the day. Probably not a lot. It's just going to be a chill day today. My tattoo is doing quite well, so and my foot's not too bad. State of mind, bitches. We've been out. We've had food. We've got a cow soy and a mango sticky rice at that same restaurant. And it was way too much food for my little stomach to handle. The cow soy was nice, but it was absolutely nothing compared to the one that I had in Chiang Mai last time I was here. So all the food up north is just, it shits all over the stuff down here. Like, it's nice and everyone says, oh yeah, the Thai food's amazing, and it is. But compare it to up there, you got no chance. And then you go back home and you try and get yourself a fucking sticky rice, and you may as well just shit in your hand. Anyway, we've got, that's my ticket for Koh Samui. I've got to get up, well, I've got to leave here and be checked out for 7 a.m. so we can get to Samui for a good time, do Samui, then do Pig Island, and then have like one more night in Samui, and then we've got to fly back to Phuket for like the last day, and I'll try go to the dentist in Phuket. And then we're going home, which is fucking shit. So I might just stay. Yeah, all right. What are we doing? I don't know. Probably not a lot today. Definitely not a lot today. I've got to get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. So thank you very much. I've had it forever. Literally, I've had it for years and years and years. I just keep trimming and keeping it down.
Right now your style is look like Finland, like
oh yeah.
You're from Finland?
UK, Wales. Yeah.
Very close to like.
Yeah, it's all Europe, similar area. Yeah, I think we're all similar. We're all white people, aren't we?
Same. How long are you staying in this place in Thailand?
I'm off to Koh Samui in the morning. I am. So yeah, 7 o'clock in the morning. So. Yeah. Yeah. I've been here 4 days now, so I was in Phuket. I've come here 4 days. I'm only doing like 2 days in Koh Samui, and then I've got to get back to Phuket to fly home. So.
Actually, because why when I see you from there, you use like what do you call the WWE, John Cena.
Oh yeah.
Same style as
oh nice.
Long hair.
Awesome. I look like John Cena with long hair. That's a compliment, that is. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Nice one.
And hopefully you have a very good, very nice day. Have a nice day.
And you, brother. Have a really good day. Matt. Good to meet you.
You do YouTube or something like that?
Yeah. I've just started, so.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
There we go. Nice one. Thank you very much,
See
brother.
You later, Mr.
Take care. Thank you. There we go. That guy says I look like John Cena with long hair, so that's a compliment, isn't it? He's the guy who stopped me yesterday. Literally, he's the guy who stopped me yesterday and said I look like a German. He stopped me today, said I look like I'm from Finland, and now he says I look like John Cena with long hair. But I'll take it. How does he know I look like John Cena if you can't see what John Cena looks like because he's invisible? Oh, so yeah, walking up the road, I stopped at that bar again, just thought I'll just have one smoke and one beer. And I'm absolutely battered, and I've just been blindly walking for 20 minutes, but back along beachfront, so I've got like a 20-minute walk up to where I wanted to get to. And now I'm in the sun, and my tattoo literally feels like a fucking solar panel. It's burning, but Lovely place. It's not too busy. It's only 32 today, so it's not too hot. Sorry, I'm absolutely... I made it the other side of the beach and halfway up my road. I stopped for a Red Bull and 2 Cokes. Now I can't move because I'm stuffed, but the sun started going down. It's more chillaxed, so let's see if I can find the shop that I was looking for. Yeah, chill day, not a lot going on. So yeah, I found my little shop that I wanted to find on that road. Got my stuff, got a couple more gifts. I'm walking obviously back down the seafront because took someone a £5 just to go down the seafront. I'm like, no mate, I'm not, no. So walk back down here, go drop these off at the hotel. I want to go back down to that market I was at last night. It's that sick little market, get some more food, and I need to get a gift for my dad really. So yeah, let's fucking walk this way. It's not too bad now, it's in the shade, the leg, so knackered. I've not even done anything. I've only drank fucking Cokes and Red Bulls. Last time we walked through it I was tripping balls. It's still fucking trippy. I think it's literally a 20-minute walk down here, so let's power walk it. I'm so absolutely fucked. I've walked so far. Sweating. Hey man, you okay? I'm gonna have a Coke. I need one. Right. Stop off in here, this is my little bar, so it's literally my fucking bar now. Right. I just have one Coke. Huh? One cola, Coke. Coke. Thank you. Shit. I'm sweating. Couple cab. Right, I'm absolutely sweating, so I need to have this Coke and then have a shower. And I'm not walking down to the market because I'll be like this by the time I get there, so I'll get a taxi down to the market. I need to stop sweating for a minute, it's horrible. Every time I come here, it starts pissing it down. I'm literally bad luck for the bar. 3 days in a row, I come, literally starts thunderstorming. Every single time. Flashbacks. Get a pass. It's a bit wet. Just a little bit. My hotel's only up here, so I'll go have a fucking shower anyway. Don't think I need a shower now, but there we go. We'll go have a shower. And I shouldn't walk under all the trees, all the fucking tree shit and bugs land up on me. Right, we'll go have a shower and then we'll probably get a taxi down to the market, providing it's... fuck it, we'll go even if it's pissing it down in it, fuck it. So yeah, we'll do this, go to the market, I need to mind I don't miss my street. It's one of these on this side. I walk past it, I won't know where I am. So, right, let's cross the road in the rain. Look at this. Oh. Yeah. Right, so it's hammering it down. My hotel's only here, it's round this corner. So I thought it was. You've literally seen how long I've been in it, and I'm literally absolutely pissed wet through. Just rivers running everywhere. At least it's warm rain. That's the nice part. So I think we're just around this corner and we should be back at the hotel. So let's get, yeah. Right, I'll stop repeating myself. Let's go. It's not fun anymore. Absolutely fucking pissed. You hear the thunder. That's my hotel. I'm an absolute fucking piss state. Right. Everything, my shoes are drenched. I may as well have gone in the sea. Oh man. Oh, it's cold in here. It's cold as fuck. There we go. I don't need to put the thing in. It's got the power. Everything works without it. Right, I'm dripping water everywhere. So, fuck, I suppose it. Oh, my cigs. Holy cow. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Go on, flash, 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 flash. Fuck yeah. I just heard the single biggest fucking thunder I have ever heard in my life. I'm not wearing anything, I'll be careful, I don't fucking accidentally flash YouTube. I was in the toilet, inside, and it was louder than anything I've ever fucking heard, and it's still just flashing everywhere like mad, look. Flash. Fucking crazy. Ah! That's a proper fucking storm, guys. Look at it go. That's crazy, y'all. Why did I bother having a shower when I literally have to go back out in this? And now I'm like, do I bother putting on fresh clothes, or do I just put my wet clothes back on? There's no way it's staying dry in this. This is wetter than Songkran. Crazy. Why did I bother coming back and having a shower when I've just got to put my soaking wet shorts back on? Look. Yes, I only have one pair of fucking bottoms with me because stuff normally dries when it's not fucking doing that outside. So cool. Do I go to the market? Is the market even going to be open like this? I've put a damp t-shirt back on, and there's no point in wearing my shoes because they're fucking drenched, so I've got to put these stupid things back on. So I've got to hope that this plaster is going to stay over my thing here, because that's where it exists, is from rubbing on that. These are mega sticky, so that might, I'm not even pointing the camera at what I'm doing, these are mega sticky, so that might actually hold it. I can only hope. Right, so yeah, I'm already wet, so sitting in the dry is just fucking miserable. It is still going like mad. There you go, look. So boom. Oh my god. So yeah, pretty sick. Everything's wet. Wow, why not? So don't need my sunglasses, my phone's in a bag, my cigs are in a bag, the ones that I didn't have to chuck in the bin. My money's in the waterproof Songkran bag. And that's just a case of just accepting that we're gonna get wet, which I didn't want to do because I got a foot and I got a tattoo, and I'm not supposed to get a new tattoo wet, which is why I didn't want to go and see and stuff. Anyway, shut up, we're going outside. Look at it, it's still flashing like mad. So let's go. Me coming back and having a shower thinking that that'll magically stop it from raining. I mean, it sounds like it's calming down a little bit, but give it like 10 seconds, I'm sure it'll blow up again. There's 150 there, you keep. It's okay, thank you. Kopkum Kab. Thank you, Kopkum Kab. Good day. Right, we are back at this market thing. It's chilled out a little bit, but it's still raining, so where's the actual undercover bit? Come sat in a bar just to have a drink and go to the toilet. I've just realised my shirt's on backwards. I thought the guard was looking at the front of my shirt funny when I walked in. How do I flip my shirt right now? I'm looking like a fella. I'm going to have to go to the toilet. Right. Don't know where we're up to. I've done a bit more shopping for myself, more bits for my van. I've got no more room in my van. So we've stopped for a smoke. And we'll have this, get some food around the market, and then grab a gift from a dar, and yeah, we should be good. Oh. Right, so we need to find food, but you see something at one point and you try and find it again, and it's just gone. So I don't know. I saw those like pizza in a cone things earlier, but I don't know where I saw them. I mean, it looks really good. It just goes on forever. It's a maze of never-ending food. let me try and find my food station. I don't know, I found it, there's just like, everything else is like active, and there's just like nobody even interested in that stand, so I'm not gonna get one.
Let's see what happens.
So let's find, what's a mochi? Let's find, I saw some really nice cakes before, but just a fucking food kebab thing. Anything. Right. I've got this thing. It's like a pizza roll thing. It's called a Japanese pizza, and it was like an old Japanese guy there. And then he just gave me one off the front. But it's like chicken and ham. I think it's just really thin pizza bread rolled with the stuff in it, like a pizza roll, maybe. But I've got a bag in my hand, I'm holding it, I can't film anything, and there's nowhere to sit. It'll drop you, it'll drop everything, I can't do it. No, there's nowhere to put you safely. So, alright. We're on, it's not on. Is it on? I think it's on, right. There's, that was nice. I feel like there's fucking stuff all over my face. I need to try and figure out a way I can hold shit so I can go get something else. Because I should probably eat something else. That was only 100 baht. That was £2 for that roll thing, which was nice. You pay a tenner for it in wherever. So, right, let me put you down. Try and wrap my bag around this so I can actually. Yeah, sound. I've just been into the pharmacy behind me and got like a fucking. I went to get the plasters, and then she was going on about the size, and I was like, oh, actually the next size down. And I said, actually it's for this, and she picked them up and said that's better. So, and to be fair, I don't know, but it feels like it'll last longer than the normal plaster on my foot with these on. And I left my other shoes inside, they're not going to dry. It's going to take them days to dry again. So I'm stuck in these. Or I buy something else, but no, I don't want to spend money on fucking fake trainers. Right, so I noticed that what the time was, and I had to run back into the market bit and get the bits because the shopping guy was about to close. And I wanted stuff for him, and now I've got even more stuff, and it's all really heavy. Sorry, bro. So let's buy a cake.
Oh, is that Masmo?
Sorry, cab. 69. Hey, bro.
You want a bug?
No. It's the one thing I'm not doing.
Yeah, this place was the only one selling it here.
Oh yeah, I saw it earlier. What do you think?
Yeah, the scorpion was pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Genuinely.
It actually wasn't bad.
I thought they just sell it to laugh at tourists eating it like.
No. I was eating these, they gave me like a handful of them. Yeah, but I wanted to find somebody who would try it.
One day.
Osmo Action?
Yeah, Action
That's
4.
sick. Oh, 4?
Yeah.
I have a Hero 13 GoPro.
Oh yeah.
But I like the DJIs more, honestly.
This is it was a refurbished one, so I got like a bit of a discount. It's probably about expensive, aren't they?
Yeah. Are you Irish?
No, I'm right next to Ireland, North Wales.
Wales. Well,
So I'm
okay.
literally like I'm 20 minutes from the ferry to get to Ireland. So,
Okay. Sick.
so, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Where are you from?
The States. I'm from Florida.
Oh, cool, nice.
Yeah.
Sunny.
Oh yeah. Well, what's your name?
Matt.
Matt? Ronald.
Good to meet you, Ronald.
Pleasure to meet you,
Nice one.
brother.
Take it easy,
If you
brother.
want a bug, let me know.
Nice one. One of the smarties. Cab. Yeah. Throws me off and people come and speak to me. We're getting a cake for later, so we can go home, have a smoke, have a cake. It's a normal cake. Yeah. Coupon card. So I'll put this in one of my bags as well. and we'll keep looking around for more potential food. I've got change coming out there. Wazoo. Pumpkin crab, thank you. Hold on. Thank you, pumpkin crab. Right, so what are we looking for? I've got my cake. Right, let me put this in my bag. Hold on. I'm carrying around way too much stuff now. Let's maybe find the last little thing to eat and then walking jump. And then we can go back. I do want to try these things, but I don't know. They're just balls. Let's do it. Let's do it. Sawadee-ka. Yeah. Chicken. Yeah. So they're cold, and now they get cooked on the thingy. I don't know what I'm buying. Looks nice. Couple card. Right, let me. Oh. We've got our teriyaki ball things. Still don't know what they are. Yeah, she was laughing at me. But yeah, let's try these. I still can't hold and do anything at the same time. Right. Now I don't know which one's which. But there we go, figured it out. They're decent. They're actually really nice. So, teriyaki balls from the little Japanese teriyaki stand. I got chicken and 2 G's ones, 6 for 69 baht. I think it said, you'll see the sign. And then the second, put the camera down. The guy next to me was speaking to me. Algerian guy. He's lived everywhere. He's subscribed. So, one at a time, 100k. Right, I went back to my little nice bar. There. I had the last couple of smokes and drinks up there. Said goodbyes to everyone, and it's about midnight. I've got to get up at 7, so we pop to a 7-Eleven, get some drinks for in the morning, and some snacks for in the morning or some shit. Have a shower and go to bed. So we've got to get to Koh Samui in the morning. I don't even know what I'm doing. Right,